name is Joseph Patterson. Welcome to One Jamaica TV. This is the place of choice for all who love this country and want to see the nation succeed.
I was born in Spanish Town, and I like to tell the story because I don't tell it enough. And there are people who are trying to tell my story, trying to define me. And I listen, I see all the lies they publish, all the falsehood and false narratives they carry. I don't always respond because I don't go through third parties. I talk directly to the people of Jamaica. When the people of Jamaica see me and hear me and touch me and feel me, they know I am real. I am from them. I am like them. I went through their struggles. I understand their struggles, and I'm true to them. I am your child. I am your son. I am your brother. I am your uncle, and now I could be your father.
This is a good day for democracy in Jamaica. We have been waiting on this for nearly 4 years now. And, you know, we had told the government if they didn't call it, we were going to take action, and we were serious about that. And we're very happy now that time has come and the gate has been flown and we're ready to take them on. And I say to all of our supporters, get ready, saddle up, because we're going to show the Jamaica Labour Party government that time come for a new government. First with the local and then afterwards with the general.
Big request to Mr. Patterson. You are truly an hero. I've never endorsed anyone for no party in Jamaica because I don't like politics, but you are truly an hero. I when them say you must go out there because you don't grant no permit. You go out there and go get arrested. How much of them at Jamaica will do that? It's like Marcus Garvey for me. You understand? It's like Bob Marley for me. It's like Malcolm X. It's like Nanny Sham Sharp and Paul Boga. Big up yourself, my brother. Enough respect. You are truly an hero. And big up the people who go to there too. Them are hero too. The man them are sing about gun and shot man have face how much gun them have. I see none of them out there. Up move. Every buckle, every cup move. Get up and stand up and fight for your right. The time is now. Don't worry about jail and death. Because man have to go to jail and man have go dead anyway. Alright?
But I want to ask my Jamaican people, when they say all the Jamaican people when they're abroad, I ask them please support this party here. Because God put this man in place. Support this party here. We want a change. And all of you when they're abroad and overseas, you find some way to go out there. Find some way because I love Jamaica. You find some way to go out there. Flitters Bass and the whole of who over England, the whole of the America, Jamaican Carlos and the whole of send video to answer people. On find a way to make sure so promote this thing here, you know. Make sure on promote this thing and people who want contact and stop people to find the link to this man. I'm share it out and give it to you now. We need to support this party. I never voted, but this is the time when we have to leave England and go vote. So all of who know so they are England and America and different countries, whatever country they on the heart still in Jamaica because everybody will leave your country, them heart out there. So on find a way enough to go out there, go make sure say on numerate and get yourself in position for when voting time come and go out there, you know. Because no fun just their brother talking and watch where I go on, but you must support this party here. All I want to overseas, and all I want to find a way to send £1 and $1 to support this party that they can get support because them just a come. Them young
people, you know why I vote for the OIC party? It's a party where I get the two party them, the two other party them, head here, PMP and JLP. They don't want to see no third party in the country. It's me they rather two of them fight with the spoils. See, and you see, we have a good opposition party. You see all them local law, they were PMP, JLP come in and should be in for the people, especially the new Road Traffic Act. That will not go through the House of Parliament, you know. But through them not have no opposition, them push through anything and nobody can give them no talk. So this is a learning lesson for the nation. Say, look here, better we have two opposition party in the House with the ruling party, we don't know a whist party. But it's a hard task for the ruling party to go through with some Remember, say if they have an opposition party like the UIC party in the House of Parliament, them couldn't push through the bill, them push through. See? And the Integrity Commission, then couldn't call down the Integrity Commission like this. You have a ruling, you have an opposition party who is strong. So, may I beg the people them, the well-thinking Jamaican them, were tired of PMP, tired of the two party them, PMP and Labour, right? We put the UIC party in the mix too. Yeah man, give them a couple seats, so it cut the powers of the other two party. And that is my idea, that is my thinking and my thought, you know. Make them get in 15 seats, you see how government run better. Look into what me attacks. Anyhow, UIC can pick up 15 or 20 seats out of the 60 odd seat. 61 or 62 seat. Yeah man. So everybody have 20 seat or 18 seat or something. Every UIC party get 15 seat. Trust me, the two parties shaking that they need. They go buckle for winnings. Anyhow, UIC can get blood 15 seat out of the blood, or even 10. You see how PMP and JLP buckle for the other seat them. So, Jamaican people are full time send out a clear statement to the two parties. Say, look, we're tired down, we have one third party and them we are work with. So, go build a third party, brother. And the third party, the structure, they just support them on. So, we could give them the support. Not afraid to give them the support, because every time we give the two party, them the support are the same result to get back. So, it don't make no sense. We try something else, try a different party, see if we can get different result. And me believe so, you get better result. If a UIC party in the House of Parliament. So, people, on the think careful and look on what happened when 2001 come up. See, and make it be a lesson to it. We're going to make this happen again. No more one party I get too much majority in the House of Parliament again. That will never happen.
Because it doesn't matter. If PNP win, you suffer. If JLP win, you suffer. Yes, some people won't suffer as much. Some, depending on which side wins, some will get the road contracts, some will get other contracts and so on. But the people of Jamaica, in general, the people of Jamaica will suffer. And that is what they have done. This is the system they have designed for Jamaica. And that is why the UIC is going to create a non-partisan constitutional republic where we shift away from partisan politics to focus on policy. What are the policies we need to make sure we have a safe Jamaica, a clean Jamaica, an orderly Jamaica, a Jamaica where everyone can live, earn, and retire with dignity. A Jamaica where you have equal opportunity, equal rights, and equal justice. A Jamaica where the entire country is respected by the government, meaning you have clean, well-maintained streets everywhere, just like a tourist destination, not just in some piece of the country, but in every part of the country, right? Every community is a tourist destination, every community. And I'm only using the word tourist, so you understand the concept here. I don't want to even say tourist. Every part of the country must be properly maintained. Proper streets, proper sidewalks, proper street lights. Every citizen has a physical address, right? You don't have any more community where you don't have clear address. You must live at the name of a road. So you live at Mandela Street and it's number 5, Kingston or St. Anne's or wherever. But everyone must have a fixed address, a clear fixed address. Every single citizen. My God, it's so silly. How can you want to implement security when people don't have fixed address? That's one of the most fundamental things you need for proper policing. Everybody must have a fixed address. Everybody. And you want to have proper sidewalks. You cannot have people walking on roads and have to be dodging cars. So you must have proper sidewalks where people live, where people have to walk and work. Basic requirement. And for 77 years, they can't do this. For 77 years, they cannot ensure that all of Jamaica it has decent sidewalks and streets that are properly designed, but using civil engineering, proper materials, proper proportions of materials, proper stocking, proper guides, proper drainage. We can't have that. After 77 years of these two parties, they must be fired. Seriously, man, think about it, For 77 years, they can't give us good roads with proper drains. They can't give us sidewalks. They can't give us fixed addresses where you can have proper home delivery of meals. And in the 21st century, when now you're doing online shopping and wanting delivery to your home, the vast majority of Jamaicans do not live in a structured society that allows them to have proper delivery to their homes. My God, man, we must throw them out. We don't have proper garbage collection. We don't have a standardized, structured garbage collection across the country that is on time, on schedule, so you can plan your life. We don't have proper separation of garbage, collections of those things that are biodegradable, and you want to collect that and put that into a system to harvest biogas from it, so we can have energy from that. And then your plastics in one area and your metals in another area, so we can properly recycle and have a country that is well run. My God, how long should it take you to be able to do that? 77 years they have been in power and they still cannot create such a country. They need to be fired immediately. They must be fired, every one of them. It doesn't matter when they say they come in politics. I hear somebody telling me, oh, Mark just come in politics. What a person who is so disconnected from reality. Don't count from the time when they get elected to their first position. Many of them were involved in politics long before they run for office. They were involved in the tricking of the Jamaican people. They were funding the trick. You understand? They were a part of volunteering to carry out the trick. So it's not today Mark is entering politics. Mark has been in politics for a long time. Andrew went almost straight from university into politics. They know how the system set. They know what is going on, and they are a part of what is going on. They're a part of what has gone on for the last 30 years. They're a part of what has gone on for the last 50 years. They're a part of what has gone on for the last 77 years. They're a part of the system. They have been trained. Every one of the candidates you see in those two parties have been trained to trick the Jamaican people. They're a part of a cartel. They're a part of a gangster. They're a part of a gang which is committed to keeping Jamaica the way it is, so that they can benefit financially, so that they can be at the top, the elite, where they live sumptuously and pretend to care about the poor people at the bottom that they're using and extorting and extracting their wealth from. You understand? This needs to stop. This needs to change. This needs to change. This needs to change. And the only way it's going to change is if you decide that it must be changed. I have decided that it must change, but I can't do it alone. I am just one man. The other 228 councillor candidates that have joined me, they have decided that it needs to change. The 3 vice presidents that's working with me, they have decided that it needs to change. The 7 member of the NEC, the National Executive Council of the UIC, they have decided it needs to change. What we need now is for 1 million Jamaicans to decide that it needs to change. 1.5 million, 2 million, 3 million. Count the diaspora, let the next 2, 3, 4 million decide. Let all of us, whether you live in Jamaica or outside, let all of us decide now that we want change now. And we're not going to allow the PSOJ to fool us again. We're not going to allow them to give. Well, they're still going to give. They're going to give the billions of dollars to the two parties, but we're not going to allow their money to fool us. We're not going to allow them nice advertisement to fool us. The nice big spread in the paper, the nice big billboard, the nice big social media ads, the television ads, the nice sounding ads about how they care about Jamaica and what grand plans they have for us. It's all a lie. They have lied to us in the past and they're going to lie to us again. There's nothing that these two parties can tell us that we should ever believe. Nothing at all. Everything they're going to tell us now, they have told us before. They told us they're going to create a safe Jamaica before, and they give us a Jamaica with more crime. They told us they're going to give us a progressive economy, a productive economy, a profitable economy, an economy which is prosperous, and they lied. We got more poverty. They told us they're going to be able to fix the dollar, and instead the dollar continues to slide. They told us they're going to fix the education system, and it has only gotten worse. They told us they're going to give us better health care, and it has gotten dangerous. So we know we can't trust them. So let's not fool ourselves. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, if you're a long-standing PNP, it's time for you to stop now. It's time. You have seen enough. If you're a long-standing JLP, it's time for you to stop now. You have seen enough. Don't let them fool you about when PNP was in power or when JLP was in power or it was this way better or that way better. The two of them combined is a very, very evil influence on this country. And it's time for us to walk away from them. It's time for us to turn our backs on them. It's time for us to stand up for Jamaica for a change. Jamaica first. One Jamaica. United, strong and free. We're stronger together. Let's stop the division. Let us use this opportunity. This might be the last opportunity we have. I mean, I don't know if anybody else will be dumb as me to spend the amount of time, money, and energy trying to create a grassroots political party. I don't know. I mean, every now and again, my family members are wondering what's wrong with me. I could just come back to Jamaica and enjoy myself. I could have come back here in 2011, build my house, kick back, invest my money wherever, and chill out and let it go. Or if I want to be involved in politics and for me it's a game, if that's the case, if it's a game, then I would just join one of the two wolves and help them in extracting the wealth of the poor Jamaican people. But I chose no. I am very fortunate. I am coming from a very poor, humble background. Still remember the one bedroom, not one bedroom, one room with the one bed in it that I grew up in. And the little soursop leaf tea and piece of bread I ate to go to school. And the days when I didn't have lunch money, I still remember all the difficulties. And I said to myself, if you think about it, Jamaica can do better. I have been very privileged. I managed to do well in school. I managed to get a full scholarship. I mean, thank God for that, because if I didn't get a scholarship, there'd be nobody paying any money for me to go to college or university. So I got a full scholarship. I was very fortunate. Of course, it's hard work. I did my work in school, and that helped, So through that process, I was able to help myself and to get to a position in life where I am most fortunate, compared to many of my fellow Jamaicans. So I'm very thankful for that. But I had to make a choice. Many in my position chose to stay out of politics and enjoy their wealth and enjoy their careers and enjoy their family. Others who do get involved in politics get involved and join one of the two and make themselves even wealthier while the people remain the same. So I have chosen a different path, and it's a part of to work from the bottom up in the grind and help my fellow Jamaicans to create for ourselves an alternative that can turn our country around. And so I'm inviting you to take this as seriously as I'm taking it and to get involved and make a difference.
You see man a road, me say yeah. Real man a road. Now bow out, you know trigger na road. Now bow down to no demon. real man a roll. Ready for broke every chain. The one that free up the people, levitate. Jamaica member, you ever great. I feel burn up the fire upon every snake. Me give thanks in every way. God still a look down once see we safe. Are you I see run the road long time? JLP and PMP I sell we